Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Adobe Acrobat Reader app not opening PDFs. And today we're talking about the app. This can be over on your iPhone or Android. So if this is happening to you, then there's basically one really easy way in order to basically fix this. All you need to do is first of all go to the place where you want to basically get that PDF from. So I would recommend getting it off the Files app just like this. So opening that. And basically once you've done that, you can just go to any document you want to get into a PDF. So let's say I want to get this screenshot to a PDF. Then basically all I need to do is just hold it down just like this. And then it will say quick actions where you can click on. And then you need to click on create PDF. Once you've done that, it will automatically create a PDF for you. What you can now do is simply go to the app like this, go into Files, and basically what you're going to do is click on Files, then click on iPhone Files, and then you want to select that PDF file you just turned, that photo or text that you just turned into a PDF, so you can click on it, and basically that should already fix your issue. Now, if it still did not fix your issue, then there might be a problem with the amount of storage you have basically over on either Acrobat or on your device. So there's a maximum amount of storage you basically have over on your Acrobat app. And you can basically just get more storage by basically either purchasing more storage or deleting some files by going into those three little dots and then clicking on delete. And then clicking on delete just like that. And yeah, basically, if that still did not fix your issue, like I said, there might be a problem with the amount of storage you have on your phone. So go into settings, general iPhone storage. And basically what you need to do is make sure that you have at least 1 or 2 gigabytes left on your device so you can actually start like uploading stuff and creating more documents. Because if you don't have enough storage, you will not be able to create more documents. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you right now. So if you learned something from this video, or if this video helped you, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.